Hey there YouTube. Today I'm making a quick video regarding the issue I'm experiencing with my Winchester TS20-30. I actually bought this unit on Black Friday in 2022 and the Pinpad started draining the battery pretty much every month starting in October, and after replacing the battery twice I decided to start investigating this. Alright, so according to this, it's drawing 0.15 milliamps. I'll have to do some calculations and see how long that should take to drain this battery. I contacted Winchester support via email, provided them my information, and they basically said I was out of luck since I was out of the return period. I contacted them in December originally, which was just past the 1-year warranty, and they really mean 1 year when they say 1 year. I actually asked them if there's an improved Pinpad, since I've seen this issue occurring with a lot of different people's safes on forums, and they said there is an improved Pinpad, but it's $80 instead of $60. But I really didn't want to give them any more money, so I actually recorded video of this safe just pressing its own buttons randomly. I first noticed this when I heard it just randomly beeping. I thought it was a low battery, but it turns out after recording it with a security camera that it was just pressing its own buttons randomly. Sometimes it would even press so many buttons that it would lock itself out, so when I went to go use it, it would beep at me because it was locked out. But without further ado, I do have a fix that has been working without any issue, and I haven't went through another battery since. You just simply turn on the power, enter your PIN, open the door, and then turn it off. Shut it, and it latches just like normal. So I'll show you what I did. It's a pretty simple circuit. All I did was put a switch in line with the positive lead coming off of this connector. So you can see my two connections there. And it goes on just like before. So I hope that this thing saves me a lot of headache and batteries going forward. So I did ask Winchester if modifying the Pinpad, which is out of warranty, affects the warranty for the entire safe, and they said it does not. I'll put that up on the screen now. But of course, that's not that's not coming from their legal team or anything. That's just one customer service representative. So, take that for what you will. Anyway, thanks for watching.